Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we shall learn rules of logarithms or properties of logarithms. There are three rules of logarithms. First one is product rule, second one is quotient rule, and third one is power rule. What is product rule? Logarithm of x and y, x into y, base a is equal to logarithm of x base a plus logarithm of y base a. Here x and y are two numbers. Here into means product of these two numbers. If the logarithm of product of the two numbers is equal to sum of the logarithm of the numbers, that means log x base a plus log y base a. Here second rule, logarithm of x by y base a is equal to logarithm of x base a minus logarithm of y base a. That means if there are two numbers x and y, if we divide them we get a quotient, then logarithm of quotient of two numbers is equal to difference of logarithm of two numbers if we take them in order. So this is called quotient rule. And then we go to the third rule, logarithm of x to the power of n base a is equal to n into log x base a. Here if a number can be written in the form of an exponent, here exponent is n, so logarithm of x to the power of n, that means exponent of the logarithm of a number is equal to exponent product of exponent and the logarithm. Once again I repeat, exponent of a logarithm of a number is equal to exponent product of the exponent and the number. This is called third rule. This is also called power rule. Now let us prove these rules one after one, and what is the how can we use these rules to calculate the problems or solve the problems. Now where do we use this one? Logarithm of first rule, logarithm of product of two numbers, logarithm of 235 into 624 can be written as logarithm of 235 plus logarithm of 624. If you want to find the product of these two numbers by using logarithms, we can find easily the product. For that we use this formula. First one, logarithm of product of two numbers can be written as sum of the logarithms, individual logarithms. So here base is not given. If base is not given means the base should be taken as 10. This is called general logarithm. For any logarithm, if base is 10, then the logarithm is called general logarithm. In that case, we no need to write 10, so we just write like this, logarithm of 235, logarithm of 235 and 624 equal to logarithm of 235 plus logarithm of 624. Now, in this way, if we take one more example like this, logarithm of 35 into 64 into 92. To find the product of three numbers, we use this first rule. The product of three numbers, logarithm of product of three numbers can be written as logarithm of 35 plus logarithm of 64 plus logarithm of 92. So product of logarithm can be written as sum of the logarithms, logarithm of 35 plus logarithm of 64, 92. Now let us prove the first product rule. If x comma y let x comma y comma a any real numbers where x greater than 1 greater than 0 and y greater than 0 and a also greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. These are the conditions for taking the numbers. Then if x can be written as the form of if x can be written as the form of a to the power of m, if x can be written in the form of a to the power of m, that means some exponent of the number a, and y is equal to a to the power of n, y can be written as a to the power of n, then let us convert these exponential forms into logarithmic forms. Then logarithm of x is m. Here logarithm of x is equal to m for base a, and also here logarithm of y is equal to n for base a, where m comma n are real numbers but not equal to 0. Then let us multiply these two numbers. Let us multiply this x and y. Let us give the result number 1 to this result. Now multiply the two numbers x into y, that is equal to x means a to the power of m into y means a to the power of n. Then xy can be written as a to the power of m plus n. According to the laws of exponents, when the bases are equal, exponent should be added. So a to the power of m plus n. Now this is the exponential form of the number. Exponential form here. Now let us write logarithmic form of this exponential form. How to write logarithmic form of this exponential form? Here this is a number, so logarithm of xy is equal to here exponent m plus n to the power base a. This is the exponential form, this is logarithmic form. Logarithm of this number x into y is equal to m plus n. Logarithm is nothing but exponent for a particular base. For base a, this is equal to m plus n. I will show with different colors here. This is a base, so here also base a, x and y. So here exponents m plus n. M plus n. Now logarithm of x into y to the base a is equal to m plus n. Then what is m? What is n? M is equal to logarithm of x base a. N is equal to logarithm of y base a. This is from first equation or first result. So here logarithm of x into y base a is equal to logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. So here this is the proof to the product rule. So we can conclude that product of can conclude that logarithm of product of two numbers is equal to sum of the logarithm of two numbers. We have already seen the application of this rule. So logarithm of 522 into 698 is equal to logarithm of 522 plus logarithm of 698. Okay.